Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can link your YouTube account to your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and apps. In the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your game library. And as you can see guys, here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. In the top, you're gonna find games and media. And right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and also here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, in order to link your YouTube account to your PlayStation 5, firstly, go ahead and click on media. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find some applications like YouTube, Netflix, Twitch, and so on. If you don't find YouTube right here, just go ahead and click on app library and then you're gonna find it right here. Go ahead and open YouTube by clicking on it, and then once you're here, just go ahead and click on start. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, YouTube will launch. Just wait for it to start. And then as you can see guys right here, if you want to activate your YouTube or to link it with your account, just go ahead and scan your QR code. You can also use your remote. Right here you can open the YouTube mobile app. So you can also sign up manually if you want. So basically guys, once you scan this QR code, you're gonna be able to link your PlayStation 5 to your YouTube account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.